Hey family, welcome back to IQcodec. So it has been very long. I think it's 1 month now. I've not yet been posting. We are very sorry for that. So a really big on your part. So we actually had some private issue that needed to be taken care of. So we're actually right back on IQcodec. So first of all, I want to start by thanking all of you that kept supporting us even though we are not posting videos, and all of you that keep on commenting on our content. So we're very grateful for you guys. So thanks and happy viewing to our channel. So actually IQcodec is back, and this time we are back forever. So actually we are going to be starting back posting videos, and you can see here it is the first video. So a great hands up to you guys. I'm very thankful. So let's get into real business. So we're actually right back, and we hope we are going to give you the best tutorial that you're going to love, and we're going to make our best to keep on giving you the best for you guys. So in the video of today, we are going to be talking about how to add the volume of your C drive without using any software. So what do I mean by a C drive? So I've been having a lot of questions. People ask me that how can you add your C drive without using any software like IOMate, Disk Partitioner, Disk Magic Partitioner. So I'm going to show you how to partition your hard disks without using any software of any kind. So in this video, so please, if it's our first time, little reminder, click on that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest updates. So for this, actually you just need to go on my computer. So on my computer, you can see here's my user interface with all my hard disk partition. So you're going to go and you can take note, here is the C drive. So what you do is that you come up on this page, so you click on the manage tab. So once you click on the manage tab, let me increase so we can actually see what I'm talking about. So after clicking on the computer, on the manage, you're going to get into the computer management window. So in here you go into for the disk management. So in the disk management, just wait for a second for loading disk. So you can see here, you can see a menu of all my hard disks that are found inside this computer. So I'm going to give you a complete view on how to actually add the size of your disk C. So before we start, so you need to actually know where disk C is found. So here it actually disk C, which is usually placed at the top. So here it is disk C. So you can see when I click on disk C, you can see it's highlighted down here. If I click on game zone, you're going to highlight it. So click on disk C, you're going to see that disk C is actually the third disk. So you can see on the third disk we have actually 3 partitions. So I have actually 3 partitions on the third disk. So we want to sum up all these partitions. We should get into this first partition so that we can actually have the real space of our hard disk, which is actually 298 GB. And we're going to do this without using any software, as I said earlier. So for this, you can see we have the first partition C, which is actually where our system is found. We have the second partition. So you can see here the second partition fresh. So let us check for the fresh partition. So the partition fresh is actually here is empty, the second partition. And on the last partition we have a hard disk which is unallocated. So I'm going to explain. So unallocated is actually a portion of your hard disk which is inactive, which means that it is part of your hard disk but you render it inactive. So it is not part of your memory but it is inactive because it's unallocated. So in order to use it, you need to allocate it to any letter in order to use it. So you need to allocate it a disk drive to a disk drive and assign to it a letter. So I'm going to show you guys how to sum up all these hard disks in order to fit in your C, because you actually see in C we have 224 GB now. So what you're going to do, the first step is that first of all, with this allocated, we are going to take this allocated hard disk and place it in the fresh hard disk. So to this, come out to the fresh hard disk, right click, and you're going to see the tab extend volume. So click on extend volume, you're going to click on the next. So on the next, you're going to see the disk theory, and the disk theory I'm talking about is about this unallocated value, which is actually for 3 GB. I can actually see the value here in megabytes. So it's already automatically selected. So just click on the next. So once you click on next, click on the finish, and what will happen, and you can see our fresh have summed up to 73 GB. So if you come onto my computer, let us refresh, you can see actually it's 29, but after the refresh you can see it's 73 total. So one now this fresh to get into this C. So to do that, you are going to come to the fresh partition, right click, and what you're going to do is that you're going to delete the volume. So you need to delete it before mounting it into the C drive. So once the volume has been deleted, if you come back in here, you can see the volume is no more available. So once this is done, come to your disk C, right click back on disk C and click on the extend as what we did earlier with the fresh hard disk. So extend, and I'm going to propose you the next disk found after your C, which is actually the unallocated size, which is the 73 GB. Click on the next button, and once you click on the next, just click finish, and you're going to see the magic that's going to happen. Just wait for a second, and bam, you can see we're up to 298. So our C drive is actually back to its normal state. So you can actually see, yes, our C drive that is actually back, and you can see if we refresh, 224 for now. After refresh, you're going to see back our 298. So that will be all for this tutorial, and I promise more tutorials are coming in. So please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and please comment what you actually love about this video and what you would like me to fix in the video and what you would like me to also explain in the video. So happy weekend to all of you. Have a nice day, and thanks for keeping IQcodec as your best tech partner. Bye. See you in my next tutorial. It's IQcodec.